Meron tayong isang nabasang komento, post ng isang netizen, at siguro dapat nating i-share yung ganito. Nabasa ko lang po ito at gusto nating i-share. Pero napakaganda nung kanyang sabihin na nating analysis tungkol nga dito sa kaso ni Digong. Yung legal counsel, yung British lawyer na head of the legal team nga na si Digong na nagngangalang Attorney Nicholas Kaufman, ang sinasabi niya ay ipapanalo daw niya yung case nga na ito. Confident siya doon, ha? Confident siya. Sabi niya, my client will be found not guilty after the trial. Okay. So sabi natin nag-post, every lawyer says that. Hindi naman tayo lawyer, ano ho? No lawyer says his client is guilty. The fact is almost all criminals whom Kaufman helped defend before the ICC have died or are still serving long prison sentences. Lahat daw na dinipensahan na itong si Kaufman nga ay namatay na at yung iba ay serving long prison sentences. Pero may isa naman daw na pinagtagumpayan na si Kaufman. Isa. Kaya daw all smiles ngayon. Yung tinatawag na grinning from ear to ear, malaking smile. Etong si Attorney Nicholas Kaufman. Kasi daw, he is the only lawyer recognized by the ICC to handle Duterte's defense. Sara Duterte has been rejected. Si Harry Roque, binaliwala rin dahil fugitive nga daw from the Philippine laws. Midial Bea, who appeared in the first hearing, has been hospitalized and wants to go home. Kaya wala rin mangyayari. Alam nga naman kasi si Mr. Robin Padilla, di ba? Hindi nga siya makapasok-pasok. Pero wag ka. Ulitin ko lang ha, ang sabi kasi dito, halos lahat daw na dinipensahan natin si Kaufman ay namatay na lang dahil sa katandaan siguro. At yung iba ay naandyan pa rin, serving long prison sentences. Pero, meron naman daw siyang isang napagtagumpayan. Ito yon. His only success was as part of the defense team of Congolese, from Congo. Leader, kung sino man ito, arrested for war crimes in 2008. Convicted in 2016, established not guilty on appeal and released in 2018. Yan daw po ay pagkatapos ng napakahabang taon. 10 long years. So, yan ba? I will bring Duterte back home, sabi ni Kaufman. So, why is the 56-year-old Kaufman smiling hugely? Bakit daw sobrang malaki ang smile na itong si Kaufman, si Attorney Nicholas? Because he will be paid hugely. Magkano daw? Around 500 to 700,000 pesos in 8 to 9 hours alone. Wala pa doon yung mga overtime and other fees. Ang laki ng gagastusin talaga. Diba? He will bill the Duterte's huge legal fees every year. He will be paid every week, every month, and as everyone knows, as everyone can check, ICC trials last for years. On the average, 8 years, or even so, or even more than that daw. That is reality. Kaya yung mga Davao Death Squad nyo daw, yung power nyo, if you have saved millions, billions, kung yun ang tinutukoy, yan daw ay of no use at all sa The Hague. Suck it up.